The truth of what we are, universal consciousness bottled up in human skin, and that is where the dance begins. That's where the dance begins. Sometimes I ghost and I'm gone, out of sight cause my gaze is inward drawn, as I find my rhythm and I listen to that wisdom within. It seems to come from a far off place. At times the whisper so faint, I need to sit in stillness, meditate, to hear that voice within and visit that space, a portal that holds the answer to every question I've yet to contemplate, and the echo remains the same.